In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an account on Hola Prime. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to holaprime.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see is the Forex future trading platform. And over here, you can log in and register for an account. And if you click login over here, you'll get this page right here. From here, you can log into your account either using your email or Google, or else if you don't already have an account, you'll simply need to click sign up over here. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, last name, email address, password, address, city, zip code, country, state, and your phone number. Pretty self-explanatory. Then from here, you'll need to declare that you have read the terms of service. You'll also be able to sign up using your Google ID if you want to do that. From here, you'll just need to sign up and then verify with your email accounts. From here, it should look something like this once you get into the dashboard. Here, you can see you'll have the account overview, and this is where you'll get your challenge or evaluation. From here, you can see that you can start a new challenge, and if you click on that, you'll get this page up here, get more out of Hola Prime, but you can simply click close for that now. From here, you can see you can choose your path, either Forex trading, cryptos, or futures. This will work with any of these, so keep that in mind. From here, you'll see the account type, either a Prime account, a Pro account, or a direct account. And here, you can also choose between step 1 or step 2 accounts, which you'll need to choose whichever you find more suitable for you. From here, you'll need to click start now, and from here, you'll see that you have created your order and now need to add in payment method and then order complete. From here, you can change the preferred option again. You can add the account type, either step 1, step 2, step 1 Pro, step 2 Pro, or direct. You can add an account balance, either 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 200K, or $300,000. Down here, you'll also be able to choose your platform, and Hola Prime actually supports most of the trading platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradeLocker, C-Trade, DXTrade, and MatchTrader. You'll need to choose this one, whichever one that suits your preferences. From here, you'll need to add the request payout, either bi-weekly, monthly, or weekly. And as you can see here, if you choose weekly, you will only get 65% of it, while if you choose monthly, you'll get 95% of your profit out. From here, you'll see an order overview, and as you can see, you have product category type, account type, and all of this information. Down here, you'll also be able to add in a discount code and then click apply to get this price a little bit off. From here, you'll also need to click I declare that I've read and agreed the terms of service, and then click create order. From here, you'll need to add in your payment detail. Once you've done that and bought the challenge, you'll see the order complete, and then you'll be having access to your challenge. I wish you good luck with your challenge and happy trading.